Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make oatmeal lotion bars. So the first ingredient you'll need is a half a cup of beeswax, white or yellow, a half a cup of shea butter, a half a cup of your favorite oil. I used a mixture of coconut oil and sweet almond oil and a teaspoon of oats, and then a pot of water so that you can use the double boil method. So first I'm going to put my heat on medium, and then I'll put my Pyrex bowl, my heat safe bowl, with the half a cup of beeswax over it. I'm going to do the beeswax first just because it takes longer to melt. And once it's melted a little bit, I'm going to add the shea butter in there. And it will melt quicker if you cut it up into smaller pieces. And then I'm just going to stir it around to help it melt a little bit faster. Alright, and once it's melted, I'm going to go ahead and add my oils. So my coconut oil is already melted because it's hot in here. So if it wasn't, then I would have added it just a little bit after the shea butter just to get it melted down. And once again, you don't have to use both coconut oil and sweet almond oil. Just make sure you use 1/4 cup of oils. But these are my two favorites. So now I'm going to add the colloidal oatmeal as just 1 teaspoon. It's a little clumpy at first, but if you keep stirring, it'll be just fine. So once it's all melted down, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and then I'll put it into my silicone molds. And I will tag these molds down in the description below. And with this mold, I was able to make 4 lotion bars. And just an extra tip, whenever you're melting something with wax, it is hard to get out of your container. So I do usually use a container just for wax, but this time I didn't. But it is much easier to clean out wax when it's hot with a paper towel. I let the lotion bars completely cool down and harden. It took about an hour, but I didn't take them from the molds until about 4 hours later. So there you have it. This is the lotion bar with oatmeal. So I'm not sure how much you can see of it on my skin, but it does feel super hydrating and moisturizing. And of course, feel free to add fragrances before you pour it into your molds, but I think this works perfectly fine as an all-natural lotion bar as well.